the diet that disconnects your memory. Brain damage in 4 days. For years, we've associated junk food with weight gain and the risk of diabetes. But new research from the University of North Carolina UNC School of Medicine has revealed something much more immediate and concerning. A Western-style high-fat diet can reprogram and damage the brain's memory center in just 4 days. This finding is a wake-up call. The food we eat doesn't just affect our waistline. It can be dismantling our ability to remember long before we see the first weight gain. The attack on the brain. The study, conducted on mouse models, focused on a diet rich in saturated fats, similar to what we find in typical cheeseburgers and fries. What scientists discovered is a critical interruption in brain communication. The high-fat diet compromises the brain's ability to receive and use its primary fuel, glucose or sugar. This energy disruption doesn't happen just anywhere. It strikes directly at the hippocampus, the main memory center. Hijacked neurons. But the impact becomes even more specific and surprising. This lack of energy causes a group of highly vulnerable and essential brain cells in the hippocampus, called CCK interneurons, to become overly active. Dr. Wan Song's team, one of the study's authors, confessed they hadn't expected such a specific disruption. This overload of CCK interneuron activity on its own is enough to disorganize the normal processing of memory. The brain, quite simply, cannot record memories as it should. The time factor, for days. The most impactful revelation is the speed of the damage. In the mice, these key neurons in the memory center became abnormally active within the first 4 days of starting the high-fat diet. This suggests that memory circuits are exceptionally sensitive to diet, and that the damage can begin almost immediately, long before obesity or insulin resistance has even occurred. The chronic consumption of these types of saturated fats, according to the researchers, could even elevate the long-term risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and dementia. The good news, there is reversal. Despite the alarm, the study offers a hopeful path forward. The researchers discovered that treatments capable of restoring glucose levels in the brain managed to calm the neuronal hyperactivity and, most importantly, fix the memory problems in the mice. But not everything depends on medicine. The study proved that specific dietary interventions, such as practicing intermittent fasting after consuming the high-fat diet, were sufficient to normalize the activity of the CCK interneurons and restore normal memory function. In the words of Dr. Song, this work underscores how quickly what we eat can affect brain health and how early interventions, whether through fasting or medicine, could protect memory. Science gives us the key: the fight against memory disorders and dementia, associated with metabolic issues, could begin much sooner than we thought, right on our plate. The choice is in our hands. Money explainers.